Here's a new 2019 Cadillac XTS. To lead, you have to do everything well. Welcome to the front of the pack. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, automated parking sensors, auto-dimming mirrors, dual-zone climate control, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and V6 engine. Edmunds.com adds, the 2016 XTS's real leg up on the competition is its spacious interior, particularly in the back seat, as well as its cavernous trunk. Cadillac, second to none. Hurry in today and see it for yourself.
Call us today at 1-866-470-0171.
For value.